Hi, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We're up at a job. This happens to be up in the Palomares Hills in Castro Valley, and a lot of the decks out here have had a lot of problems. And anyway, many of them are leaking and rotting. They had the old wooden post that came up through the penetration of the deck. Anyway, this is the right way to redo the deck. We've got a powder-coated aluminum railing. This is all of our DuraDeck waterproofing system. You can see where we've had to patch the stucco, so when that gets painted, it's as good as new. And the waterproof membrane has to come up the sidewall a good 4 to 6 inches. We had to pull the door because the membrane has to come up and underneath the door in order to get a proper waterproofing detail. And you can see what you have here now is the reveal of the waterproof membrane, and that's the weep screed of the stucco. And a lot of these decks were put in with the stucco coming almost down to the bottom, and that's entirely problematic, and where you end up with leaks. And we'll show you this whole detail from the lower side. But this is a redone deck in the Palomares Hills, and this is the way to go ahead and take care of the problem. It's not inexpensive to do it. We had to rip up the other deck, we had to re-subfloor it, re-slope it, put in blocking for the railings, put in a railing system, waterproof it, repatch the stucco, pull the door. It's a little bit of a process, but you have to get all the details correct for these waterproof decks. So this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, your San Francisco Bay Area general contractor. We happen to be located in Castro Valley. I know there's several hundred of these decks that are failing up in the Palomares Hills, so give us a call, 510-909-8552, or find us at bayareacontractor.com. Thank you.